Let's take a look at another video on how to evaluate an expression using bedmas or the order of operations. So this is one of the questions. Now bedmas, as you already know, is an acronym for the order of operations. So B stands for brackets. The innermost brackets are the round brackets, the square brackets, and I call them curly brackets. And E stands for exponents. Sorry, it's loud here. For example, 2 cubed, 4 to the power 5, anything that has an exponent, you will simplify that first within the brackets, and then the 4 basic operations: division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So now let's take a look at how we can use bedmas in this question. So we have 8, 1 minus 3. So the innermost bracket is 2 minus 5. So 2 minus 5, as we all know, is negative 3. Okay, so let's close the bracket. Now from here onwards, you can look at it in 2 different ways. So let's look at the very first way. You can rewrite this expression as 8 times 1. Okay, so here comes the trick. You can rewrite this as 1 plus negative 3 times negative 3, because you know positive negative is negative. So we have to split that negative sign into plus minus. So now you know that negative 3 times negative 3 will be a positive 9. So let's write the answer there. So now what we have is 8 times 1 plus 9, which is 8 times 10, which is equal to 80. Now this question can also be looked at in a different way. So let's take a look how we can simplify it. 8 minus, here, now we're going to distribute negative 3 over the bracket. So negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. So here we're not dropping the sign. Whatever sign is, you're going to keep that. So negative times negative is positive. So you put the plus sign in there, plus 9. And again, then we have the same situation. 8, 1 plus 9 is 10. 8 times 10 is 80. I hope this was helpful.